Today, we're going to go over how to assemble and install your F3008 Tie Downs. If you're installing this on a 2.5-inch receiver, you will want to follow these steps to assemble the hitch adapter onto the end of the tie down. If you have a 2-inch receiver, you can skip to 1 minute and 35 seconds in the video for the install. Start by inserting the coiled end of the bolt fisher through the short end of the receiver tube, assembling the star washer and 2-inch bolt, and then threading it back through the tube. Once you pull it back through, assemble the rest of the hardware on the outside to secure the adapter plate. To install, simply slide the tie down into the cross tube with the triangular point facing the front of the truck. Then, place the 2x2 center hole between the frame and tie down. Once you install your hardware, you'll want to torque them to the proper specs. Repeat the process on the other side and you're ready to go. Simply slide your inserts in and secure them with a bail pin.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift product, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit us at torklift.com or call us at 800-246-8132.